Shut up! Sorry.
Snowstorms in Japan. Japan recently had a super heavy snowstorm. It caused travel chaos on the highways north of Tokyo. Traffic got stuck and lots of cars were in the snow for 2 days. People slept in their cars without food and water. Finally, rescue workers came and they are digging the cars out from the snow. This unusual amount of snow was caused by cold air from Siberia meeting warm air from the Pacific Ocean. Snow is dangerous for many reasons. There are avalanches in the mountains. Some people have accidents when they clear snow too. It is very dangerous to climb on your roof to clear snow, and it's also dangerous to stand next to a house under the eaves because snow can suddenly fall from the roof and might bury you. But it's probably safe to go out and build a snowman or have a snowball fight.